All right, let's continue with Chapter 8, Section 2, which is surface areas of prisms. And we're going to go over Example 2, which is finding the surface area of a triangular prism. So first, let's talk about what the net of a triangular prism looks like. Over here on the left, we see our triangular prism. And then if we flatten it out, like we flattened a box, we can see that we have all of our sides. So we have our left side right here, and then our right side. We have the bottom or base, and then we have the front triangle, and then the back triangle. Okay, and let's remember that to find the area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. And actually, we're only going to use that formula. So let's move all this over. Maybe. So again, to find the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and find these things. So here's problem A. Here's our triangular prism. And then here it is flattened over here on the right. Okay. I think what I'll do... Okay. So let's find the area of the bottom first. So here's our bottom. So our base is 8, and that's a rectangle. So that's just base times height. So our base is 8 centimeters times 12. And I know 8 times 12 is 96. Okay. The front, here's our front triangle. And the dimensions of the front one are the same as the back. So I see that they're written here. So it's base times height divided by 2. So our base is 5. 5 times 12. And then it's divided by 2. So I'm going to draw a line here. Divided by 2. Okay, so I know that 5 times 12, let me just double check here my math. 5 times 12, I know that's 60, and then divided by 2 is 30. Okay, and then the back is going to be the same as the front. So it's going to be 5 times 12 divided by 2. Just like that. 5 times 12 divided by 2, and that again is 30. Okay, and then we have two sides. We have this left side, which is a rectangle, so we just need to do base times height, and the base is 13 times 8 is the height. And I know 13 times 8 is 40. And then we have the right side. The base is 8, or the base is, we'll say 5 times 8. And I know 5 times 8 5 times 8 is 40. Wait, 13 times 8, I don't think that was right. 13 times 8 is 104. There we go. I was looking at the wrong thing. Okay, so now we have all the areas of each individual side. Now to find the surface area, we're going to add all of those together. So we're going to add 96 plus 30 plus 30 plus 104 plus 40. All of those added up together is 300. And now we need to label what we're measuring in. So let's look at our labels on the net of our triangular prism. And I'm seeing centimeters. So centimeters, and it's centimeters squared. Whenever we find the area of something, it's centimeters squared. Okay, or you could type it, or you could type it 300 square centimeters. So you could either do the little exponents for squared, or you could type out square. Okay, let's look. We'll do problem B in another video to break it up a little bit.